Okay, for mine and Andrew's friction experiment, what we're going to do is we are going to both go down like this area right here, me on my skateboard and Andrew on his longboard. So I'm probably going to go not as far because my wheels, as you can see right here, are a lot more rough and torn up, so they will create more friction. Andrew, though, on his longboard, his wheels are new and smooth, so they will create less friction whenever he goes down.
Alright, well, I'm Andrew, and I'm going to hold the camera while we go down this hill to see who can go farther and see if Ethan's prediction because of friction was right.
Okay, this is the hill.
Let's go! Alright, well, I stopped here. Ethan stopped way back there. So it looks like Ethan's prediction was right. Alright, this is for types of energy. Ethan right now is standing on top of a dumpster. He is going to jump off it. And this is going to show how right now he has gravitational potential energy. And when he jumps, at the peak of his jump, he'll have his max gravitational potential energy, or his max total energy. Then as he's falling, he'll lose gravitational potential and gain kinetic until he hits the ground. Alright. Go ahead.
Okay, so from Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest will stay at rest, like my skateboard, unless acted upon by an outside force, like this.
Alright, well, I'm Andrew Carragher, and we're about to do like the conservation of momentum as our thing. As you can see, we have this little homemade track set up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have these two balls running into each other in different scenarios, like one ball standing still or both balls colliding at the same time. And we're also going to use one of these and this lacrosse ball once to see what would happen if we use those. And so when the two balls will collide, what's going to happen is their momentum will exchange, and they're either going to stick together and go off in the same direction depending on which one was going faster, or they're going to bounce off each other. Alright, here we go. Test 1. Both the balls colliding in the center. Alright. Now for test 2, we're going to have one of the balls standing still right in the center and see what happens when we hit one of them. They both go off in the same direction, but the first one goes a lot slower. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this lacrosse ball and this ping pong ball, and we're going to run these two into each other and see what happens. Obviously they both go off in that direction, and that just kind of messed up the track there. And now we're going to have a lacrosse ball standing still right there, and we're going to run the ping pong ball to it. And nothing happened to the lacrosse ball. It's just the ping pong ball that moved. And now we're going to have the ping pong ball staying still right here. We're going to run the lacrosse ball into it. Oh, I'm off center there. Alright. As you can see, they both went off in the same direction at the same, like, sticking together.